everybody, and welcome to my channel. It's me, Foodman Pork Vlogs, and we're here, guys, for a very special food review. And what we're gonna be reviewing today, guys, is the Gano XL coffee. All right, this is the Ganoderma coffee together with Mocha flavor. So it's gonna have cocoa. It's Ganoderma coffee together with cocoa. So check it out, guys. Check out the boxing. Check it out, guys. This is the packaging. All right. So, guys, this is what we're gonna be reviewing today. And guys, if you guys are not familiar with the Ganoderma flavor, I will let you guys know. And also, I will let you guys know about also the benefits of the cocoa. Right. So you get two flavors here in one. Right. You have an amazing. I have tried this coffee, guys. This coffee, the taste is amazing. I'm telling you, the taste is very bold. It's a very bold taste, very nice. The coffee tastes like very roasted. That roasted, nice flavor it had, and also creamy. Ooh, that's what I like. And also that hint of cocoa. Oh man, I'm telling you, this coffee is delicious. I have tried myself, so I'm gonna take you guys for a closer look, so you can check on the box a little more closer. Check it out, guys. All right, so that's how it looked like. Look at how nice it looked like. And then the letter shows, like, I think this product has been it comes from Malaysia. So you can see at the bottom the letters are, they are written in Malaysian language. So this product's in Malaysia. So it means if it comes from Malaysia, we're in good hand, guys, because this is where you reap the most benefit. Why I tell you like that? Because the forests of Malaysia got one of the best temperatures, one of the best ambience, and the best land and the best temperature to grow the Ganoderma coffee. Okay, the Ganoderma coffee guy gotta go through a process. One of the processes is to grow, how you grow the coffee. To get most of the benefit, to grow it right. I believe Malaysia got one of the best places to grow Ganoderma coffee. That's one very big feature. All right, so this one tastes amazing, guys. Tastes amazing. And to tell you the truth, guys, the very first guy, I've been drinking Ganoderma coffee for a long time, but the very first coffee, Ganoderma coffee that I have tried, it was the Gano XL, the Gano coffee, this brand in particular. Before any other brand, this is the very first one. I remember I saw one time, I saw it in a display. There was like somebody have a business, a flower shop and stuff. And then right on the center of the display, and the front door, I saw a box of, Gano coffee. Right here. Whoa, that guy caught my attention. What kind of coffee is that? Then I asked, and then that's how I got introduced to this coffee for the first time. That was in 2005, I think. All right, so guys, check it out. I got one open box here, so I'm gonna show you how they look inside. Check it out. This is how the box looks inside. So look at the size of this package. Look at this. Look at how much coffee can you drink out of one packet. This brings around 14 package in the Gano Cafe Mocha. It brings 14 packets, but look at the size of this package. This is amazing. This is huge, brother. I'm telling you, one of these packets lasts for me. I'm a very frequent coffee drinker. I drink around. I drink very frequent coffee, and this lasts for me for almost 3 days. I'm telling you, this is a very good investment for me. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna show you the benefits. I'm gonna introduce you now to the benefits of the Ganoderma coffee and also the cocoa. All right, guys, so I'm gonna let you now watch this, and I will get back to you after that. All right, guys? All right. Alright guys, so we are back guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching the benefits of the Ganoderma and also the benefits of the cocoa. They're both phytonutrients guys, that's why. Phytonutrients, alright guys. This is something that is sometimes hard to find in regular food. But these two, no worries guys, because this product is amazing. You're gonna get the benefits of the Ganoderma, the amazing benefits, and the amazing benefits of the cocoa. Everything in one pack. Guys, the cause of most illness in people, most illness, most kind of things like that, is because there is an imbalance in the body. When there is an imbalance in the body, that's when we get sick and things like that. But the Ganoderma coffee and the cocoa want to bring back that balance into your life. All right, guys. But like I said, everything, the way we eat, the way we drink, everything has to be done also in moderation, guys. Moderation is the key. All right. So, guys, I have introduced you guys to two powerhouses. Two powerhouses: the Ganoderma coffee and the cocoa. Two powerhouses, guys. So, but you really. This was introduced for me by a member of Gano Excel a long time ago. And when I see them again, I bought this one. I bought it from a member, so you give me a discount. So guys, that would be also amazing and great idea. You can become a member of the Gano Excel, will be even better. All right, guys. So I'm telling you, I'm really planning to get into this a little more, and maybe I will plan also even to sell Ganoderma, because I love Ganoderma. Since the very cup of coffee of Ganoderma that I have, wow, in 2005, I never have changed, man. I always keep buying very frequently Ganoderma coffee. It's amazing the way you feel, because it gives you like a boost. I know not only that you're gonna get the amazing flavor, right? That, but also gonna give you a boost. I already have noted that give me a boost. My memory have increased. My sugar levels are very well balanced. All right, very, very stable. All right. That's another thing that I also, it worked also against any kind of inflammation. I noticed. Yeah, it's very, very, very good in that. So guys, I hope you like my full review that I have made. So for all those followers of the Ganoderma coffee, cocoa coffee, give it a try, man. I highly recommend this, man. If you haven't tried, give it a try, guys. These people are amazing. All right, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. And I'll be seeing you guys soon again for another super food review. And please let me know in your comment below any opinion that you got regarding the coffee, any question, any of your opinion will be very welcome. All right, guys, and I'll see you soon, guys, for another super food review. Take care of yourself. I'll see you guys soon.